Welcome to this live, everyone. In this one, I would like to take couple of questions which are asked in Infosys examination. So please comment your answer. Please comment your answer. Try to share with all the aspirants who are preparing for the examinations. On a 26 question test, 4 points were deducted, 5 points were deducted for each wrong answer. For each wrong answer, -5, and 8 points for added for each correct answer. 8 points are added for correct answer. If all the questions were answered, how many were correct? If the score was 0. If the score was 0. Score, when will it become 0? Okay, when the correct answer marks minus wrong answer marks, correct answer marks minus wrong answer marks are same, then the value will become 0. The value will become 0. So I suggest you use options to get the answer. First option is 10. How many were correct? How many were correct? They are saying first option A 10. As per A 10, totally 26 questions are correct. Totally, how many questions are there? 26 questions are there. In these 26 questions, 10 questions are correct. If suppose 10 questions are correct, then remaining 16 questions are wrong. Okay, and correct questions are 10. For each correct question, how many marks they are giving you? 8. That means totally 10 into 8. Correct questions marks was 80. And also incorrect questions 16. For every incorrect question, how many marks reducing? 5. Nothing but 16 into 5. So totally how many marks will be reduced? 16 into 5, nothing but 80. 80 minus 80 is equal to 0. Which option is correct? Option A. How many questions were correct? Correct option is A. Okay, if it is not working, go for option B. Okay, totally 26 questions are there. In these 26 questions, 12 answers were correct. Remaining 14 answers were wrong. For every correct question, how many marks? 8. 12, 8 the 96. Okay, for every wrong answer, how many marks reduced? 14 into 5, nothing but minus 70. 96 minus 70, what is the remaining marks? 26. But as per the question, total score was 0 only. 0 is nothing but correct answers marks minus wrong answers marks is equal to 0. Correct answers marks was in the first option. As per the first option, correct answers score 80. Wrong answers score is also 80. 80 minus 80, 0. As per the question, which option correct? Comment. Option 1 is the answer. Ready? Can you tell me answer for second question? In how many ways a team of 11 must be selected from 5 men and 11 women, such that the team must comprise of not more than 3 men? Not more than 3 men. Okay, totally you have to select a team of how many members? 11 members. Okay, from 5 men and 11 women. Actually, how many men are there? 5. Out of 5, maximum how many men you can select? 3. Total 11 members team you are selecting. In that one, 3 are men and remaining 8 must be women. How many total women are there? 11. So out of 11 you have to select 8. This is one way. Maximum 3 men must be there. Maximum 3. maximum 3, or 2 men will be there, or 1 men will be there, or in the case 0 men also there. So I will write 5C2. In previous case 3 men, here 2 men only. 2 men means remaining 9 are women. Or in the next case what will happen, only 1 man is there and remaining all are women only. And in the next case, actually maximum 3 men or 2 men or 1 man, in the next case men will be 0 also, but it should not cross 3. Okay, so in the next case all the members are women only. You are selecting 11 out of 11. Okay, so try to figure out this answer. 5C3 is nothing but 5C2. 5C2 value is what? 5 into 4 by 2 into 1. This answer is 10. And next 11C8. 11C8 is nothing but 11C3. What is the 11C3 value? 11 into 11C3 is equal to 11 into 10 into 9 by 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, 3 3 the 2 5 the 11 5 the 55. 55 into 3 nothing but 165 plus 5C2 value already we got 10. So next 11C2. What is the 11C2 value? 11 into 10 by 2 into 1 nothing but 55 plus 5C1 value 5. 11C10 nothing but 11C1 nothing but 11. 11C11 value 1. Try to add all of them and answer, comment your answer. Here 1650, here 550, here 55 and plus 1. Comment your answer. 6, 15, 12, 22, 56. 22, 56. Okay. Comment your answer please. Given that A greater than 0 and A less than B, B less than C, and D, which of the following will be the largest? 4 options are there. You have to identify which option is the largest. If you assume A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, and D is equals to 4. Okay, simply substitute and get me which option is correct. As per the first question, C plus D. C plus D is nothing but 7 by A plus B. A plus B is nothing but 3. 7 by 3 means 2 point something. And as per this one, A plus D nothing but 5 by B plus C. B plus C is nothing but 5. 5 by 5 is only 1. Okay, this option is eliminated because option A will be getting more score, more value. In the next option C, B plus C. B plus C is nothing but 5 by A plus D is nothing but 5. Again we are getting 1 only. This is also cancel. And last one, B plus D. B plus D, 2 plus 4 6. 2 plus 4 6. B plus D nothing but 2 plus 4 6 by A plus C. What is the A plus C? 1 plus 4 1 plus 3 nothing but 4. 6 by 4 is nothing but 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is nothing but 1 point something. In all the options we are getting 1 point something, but in this option we are getting more score, 2 point something. Question is what? Which is the largest? Largest is option A. Option A. Okay, let me give you next question. Can you answer this one? Answer next one. Mark told John, if you give me half of your money, Mark is saying to John, what Mark is saying, if you give me half of your money. Half of your money means whose money? Johnny half money. Okay. If Johnny half of money gives to Mark, he will have totally how many rupees? 75 rupees. That means Mark has some amount of money. Mark money plus half of the Johnny money is equals to what? 75. Okay. And next, John is saying to Mark, what John is saying? If you give me one third of your money, I will have 75. He is also saying, John has certain amount of money plus John amount of money plus one third of Mark money. One third of Mark money, nothing but Mark by 3. By that, John will also have totally how much? 75. 75. So, equation 1, equation 2 is there. What is the question? How much money did John have? Please simplify the following equations and get me the answer. Okay. Take LCM. 2 is the LCM. 2 is the LCM. And what you will get? 2m plus j is equal to 75. In this one, 2m plus j is equal to 150. And here also you can take LCM 3 and 3j plus m. 3j plus m is equal to 75. You can write m plus 3j is equal to cross multiplication 75 into 3, 225. 225. So can you answer this question? Here only 1m is there. 1m is there. 1m is there. I want to multiply this equation with 3. By that it will become what? First m plus 3j is equals to 225. If you multiply with 3, then it will become 6m. Then it will become what? 6m plus 3j is equal to 3 into 150, nothing but 450. Okay. If you do minus 3j cancel, 6m minus m, nothing but 5m. 5m is equal to 420 minus 225. 450 minus 225. 10 5 subtraction 4 2 4 minus 2 2. Okay. And 225. 5m is equals to 225. M is equal to 225 by 5. Okay. 5 for the 20, 2 5 5 the 25. So how much money Mark has? 45. Okay. As per the following question, Mark plus John half is equal to 75. Okay. Mark value we got 45. 45 plus John half is equal to 75. 75. John half is equals to 75 minus 45. John half is equals to 30. John is equal to cross multiplication 60. Which option correct? Option B is the correct answer. In Infosys, this type of questions will be given. Somewhat tricky. You have to think, analyze, solving them. Puzzle oriented questions, these are all. Okay, can you answer this question? A works total work in 10 days. That means his 1 day work, A 1 day work is 1 by 10. Okay, and B works total in 15 days. That means his 1 day work will be 1 by 15. Okay, if A and B cost is 5,000 rupees, then what is the share of B? If you want to distribute the amount in working, it purely depends on work ratio. That means how much A is working per day, how much B is working per day. Okay, 1 by 10, 1 by 15. What is the LCM of 10 and 15? 30. Okay, 3 the here 3 and here 2. So what is the A is to B ratio? 3 is to 2. So totally how many parts are there? 5 parts are there. This 5 parts value is equal to 5,000. One part is equals to 1,000. The question they are asking you, what is the share of B? What is the share of B? How many parts B? 2 parts. One part 1,000. Two parts 2,000. 2,000. Okay. Amount distribution depends on work ratio. Nothing but work per day is efficiency. Can you this one do this one? It is related to verbal ability. Comment your answer. Ready? Population is one resource that never depletes. That means never decrease, and is a living development parameter. But it is at times interpreted as a hindering factor for development, negative factor for development. This happens because population is both a consumer and producer. There are two schools of thought, one which treats population as a resource and other is a burden to the society. The truth in fact lies somewhere between. The interplay of factors responsible for population growth and those for development decide of resourcefulness of population. This complete paragraph is reading comprehension. It discuss about how population is going to be playing a major role. It is sometimes it is a asset and sometimes it is going to be a liability, because if population is more, then definitely it will become a liability. It will be a negative factor. It depends on how you are treating. Based on this, look at the questions asked. Why it is said that population is one resource that never depletes? Why in the passage they say population is one resource that never depletes? Because others resources deplete, might or might not be, because depends on resource. Because population is an ever increasing phenomenon. Yeah, definitely, because population is an ever increasing phenomenon. And third one is because population is seen as a resource. Why it said that population is one resource that never depletes, that means never reduced, because it is an increasing phenomenon all the time. It will be never reduced in the saturation point. Option 2. Can you answer this question? What will be the synonym of the word depletes? Depletes mean already I told you, reduced. Reduced, decrease. Ready? Answer this question. Find the missing number in the series. Comment your answers. Comment your answer. Very easy. Number series questions. Students, if you find this content is useful, share with all the aspirants who are preparing for Infosys, TCS, Wipro, and every MNCs. Okay, they are asking you what is the missing number. Here, 2, 5. If you look at this one, 19 into 2 minus 1, 37 into 2 plus 1. So here 2 into 2 plus 1. Next to 5 into 2 minus 1, 9. So next to 9 into 2 plus 1. Henceforth, what is the answer? 9. Ready? Can you answer this question? In the word econometrics, if the first and second, third and fourth and fifth and sixth words are interchanged up to the last letter, then what would be the 10th letter from right? Just they are asking what? Interchange. First to second. What is the first to second? EC. Interchange CE. Third, fourth interchanged ON. Nothing but NO. Fifth, sixth OM. Interchanged MO. Seventh, eighth interchanged TE. 7, 8. 9, 10 interchanged IR. And last 11, 12 interchanged SC. They are asking you what would be the 10th letter from the right. 10th letter from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Comment your answer. Ready? Next one. Can you answer this question? Comment your answers quickly. M denotes modulus operation, nothing but remainder operator. And next, R denotes round off. Nothing but approximate value. 3.4 is there. 3.4, nothing but it is assumed as 3 only. If it is greater than 3.5, you have to go for the next number, nothing but 4. Okay. Modulus operation, first one, and second one round off. And T denotes what? Truncation. Truncation means only you have to take, suppose 5.8 is there, 7.7 is there. You have to remove that decimal part. Only take 7 only. Only 7 only. First one is what? Modulus operator. What is the remainder? Comment. 373 by 5. 373 by 373 by 5. 5 7 the 35. 2 remainder 2 3. 5 4 the 20. Okay, what is the remainder? Modulus operator is nothing but what? Remainder operator. Here the remainder is 3. So in this place you can put 3 plus R denotes round off. R denotes what? Round off. 3.4 is nothing but only 3 plus trunk off means, I already told you, you have to take only value number, not decimal value. You have to take only 7. And next value is what? 5.8. Round off. It is more than 0.5. So you have to take the next number. Comment your answer. Very good. And answer this question. This question. This question is about 3-digit number. The sum of the 3-digit numbers is 17. So if you add these values 17, okay, and if you add these values 17, okay, and if you add these values 17, okay, and if you add these values 17, okay, okay. And the next one, next hint, what is the hint? Sum of the squares of the digits is equals to 109. Sum of the squares of the digits is equals to what? 109. Here 49 7 square, 49 3 square, and 3 square nothing but 9. 9 3 the 27, 107. Here it is only 999, 27 27 10. Here it is sum only 107, but they are saying 109. It is cancel. Okay, next 6 square 36, 8 square 64, 3 square 9, 19, and 109. Yes, option B. Okay, and let's go for option C. 9 square 81, 4 square 16, 4 square 16, 12 13, and 8 9 10 11 113. This is also cancel, not satisfying. And last one, 8 square 64, 6 square 36, 3 square 9 19. Okay, 9 10. So two options are satisfying this condition. What is that? B and D. Is there any other things? One more hint is there. What is that hint? If we subtract 495 from the number, we shall get a number consisting same digits written in the reverse order. Okay, suppose if 683 is the number, from this number I want to subtract what? 495. If you subtract 495, 13 minus 5 nothing but 8, and 7 is here, 17 9 nothing but 8, 5 minus 4 1 1. What is the question they are asking? If we subtract 495, we shall get a number consisting of same digits written in the reverse order. But as per what is the value? 683. But here we are getting different digits. You have to get the same digits in reverse order. It is cancelled. And what is the next number? 863. 863. I want to subtract 495. If I subtract 495, 13 minus 8, 13 minus 5, nothing but what? 8. And here 15. 15 minus 9, nothing but 6. 7 minus 4 is nothing but 368. Same digits are there, but in reverse order. 863 and here 368. Same digits, but they are in reverse order. Henceforth, what is the correct option? Comment the answer. What is the correct option? If you like the video, only thing I can expect from you is a share, a comment, a like. That's it. By that, I can give you more content every day, which will enable you to crack every drive paper. Ready?